Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your name in Zoom Workplace mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the app, look at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the option that says More. It looks like three little dots, or you can tap on the top left corner. Here you can see many options. Tap on my profile. Next, tap on the section that says display name. You will now see two text boxes, one for your first name and one for your last name. Tap in each box and type the new name you want to use. You can change either just your first name, your last name, or both. Once you are done typing, look at the top right corner and tap save or done. And that's it, your name is now updated. This is the name that will show up when you're Zoom meeting using Zoom Workplace. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.